Hello, 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 I'm Janice and I hope you're all doing well. We're starting this vlog in the car, a good old car intro vlog. And this week is going to be a pretty busy week. It's going to be a pretty packed week because I'm going to be leaving the country very soon. And so there's lots to just prepare for, a few things to buy, and I'm going to try and get like some of my food cravings sorted before I leave Australia, just visiting some of my favorite restaurants. I actually just went to the dentist this morning to pick up my new night mouth guard. So I've been grinding my teeth in my sleep a lot more, and I tend to do that when I have a lot on my mind, and then I wake up and my jaw is really tight and I sometimes get headaches from it as well. This is the first time I've tried anything like that, so we'll see how it goes. And yeah, if you are watching this video and you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please subscribe, like this video, it really helps me out with the YouTube algorithm, and enjoy the vlog. We are currently at Vale. The reason we're here is because I am here to grab brunch with a friend of mine. I've been to this place before, I think 2-3 years ago. I really like it, but I've never been back. So I'm super excited to come here again and check out their menu. And maybe get some tea or coffee, depending on what I feel like when I arrive. Okay, I've just arrived at Cafe Monaka and me and my friends have just ordered. I've got the HotPot. My friend got a dirty, she got a sticky chai, and then you pour honey in it. And then in terms of mains, she got a tonkatsu sandwich, and I got a Wagyu beef bowl with onsen egg. I'm really excited because I'm really hungry. I didn't eat too much today. I had like a tiny bit of oats just to tie me over to brunch. So I'm looking forward to when the food comes. This is such a cute cafe. If you're in the area, definitely come and visit and give this place a go. Can I please have a large soy cap? Large soy cap? Yeah. I got a coffee to go because I haven't had coffee today, and this coffee is delicious. And we are actually going to a nearby lookout. It's about an 8-minute drive, and you're coming with us. It seems like the pictures look like it looks pretty nice, so I'm pretty keen on checking it out. Okay, we drove about 8 minutes from where we were at to a lookout called Turameta Head Lookout, and I'm just looking out my window. This view is absolutely phenomenal. How much do you reckon those houses over there would be?
I don't know.
I feel like that would be like, actually I'm not even gonna guess because I'm gonna be way off. Like imagine waking up to this view every single day. Those houses, they do that. Remember how I said a few vlogs ago, my parents, once they like a restaurant, they want to go back? This is exactly what's happening. We went to Totti's in our last vlog, and this time round, they want to go back again. They really like the bread. So right now we're having an early dinner. We're walking from Chinatown to Wynyard. I suggested taking the light rail, and they were like, we don't need to take the light rail, we can just walk. So one of their specials tonight is the pasta, which is the cacio e pepe. My brother was like, we gotta order it. We gotta order the cacio. Have you guys seen the reel? If you haven't, you probably don't know what I'm talking about.
Everyone must try this cacio e pepe.
Okay, anyway, I think we're ordering pretty much the same things. And... Huh? Yeah, what are we ordering? What are we ordering?
So you already know.
It sounds like math. Okay, we like the bean and fennel salad more than the grilled broccolini. So if you're looking to get like one of the salads, me and my mum would both recommend the bean and fennel. Okay, the cacio e pepe is it's very, very creamy and it's very, very cheesy. Personally, I always prefer pasta that is more tomato based as opposed to more cheese or cream based. But my brother loves it, so. Okay, we are just done with dinner. We actually polished everything off in less than an hour. We went in at 5, we left before 6. So now we're heading to Darling Square. We're gonna see if there's anything we wanna eat, like in terms of desserts. And yeah, I mean, I really want to go to Matchaya because I've only had drinks there. I've never actually had their desserts. And I know a few of you guys have told me that the desserts there are quite nice, so we'll see. We'll see if it's crowded today. And if it's not, I'm gonna suggest getting desserts there. Every time I suggest, hey guys, let's take the light rail from Wynyard back to Darling Square, everyone's like, no, we can walk. No, we don't need to take the light rail. Daddy. 不如搭 light rail 啦，好嘛？搭 light rail 啊。
Exercise is good for you.
Okay, I have just arrived at Burwood. I'm meeting a couple of my friends today for dinner, and then we're going to be visiting her new kitten. I'm super excited. I think we're going to be heading to Mr. Stonepot for dinner tonight. I've actually never been to Mr. Stonepot. Like, my friends and my family all have been there, but I haven't, and I've heard good things, so I'm excited. Okay, we've just arrived at Mr. Stonebowl, and I say we, but my friends arrived earlier, and essentially the wait was 1 hour to get into the restaurant. We've ordered quite a number of dishes. I think 2 appetizers, 3 mains, and a bucket of rice. I've seen food on other people's tables, and they look amazing. Ordered this starter that came at the very end of our meal, but we ordered it because I saw someone order this to their table. Like, this is what it is. How is it?
I don't know what I'm eating.
Okay, my friend doesn't know what she's eating.
It's like a KFC salad.
My friend said it's like a KFC salad on a mango dessert, and I can't say I disagree. It's like is that chocolate soil at the bottom?
I think so.
Okay, I got the yuzu sorbet. They have so many different Asian inspired flavors, like genmaicha and matcha and black sesame. Oh, this is super citrusy. I mean, it is yuzu, but this sorbet is delicious. Stop laughing. Okay, I like it. Okay, we are meeting my friend's cat for the very first time. She is so cute. Oh my god, it's on my sock. Tick tock. And it just kept spinning. So the other day I had Thai food and I have some leftovers from that. And I figured I'm gonna also make a cucumber salad to go with my leftovers. Like, this cucumber salad is actually super simple to make. You usually have this as an appetizer at some Chinese restaurants, but if you break it down, it's super simple, super quick, and also really tasty. So I've got 3 cucumbers. This is probably enough for maybe 2 or 3 people, so I might share with my sister. Okay, I've added some salt to this. I've left it for about 5 minutes. I think we can drain the water now. Let's see how much cucumber juice we get from this. All right, this is my little cucumber salad. It smells super fragrant. I'm gonna try and finish all of this in a day because I don't want to leave it in the fridge overnight. I can down this whole bowl actually, but I do have a lot of leftovers I need to finish as well. Give this a go. Let me know what you think. As always, I'll include the ingredients and written instructions on my blog, which you can find linked in my description. I've just arrived at my parents' house. What we're having tonight is HotPot, and we've got a bunch of different ingredients earlier today, so I'm super excited. It is really, really, really cold. I feel like this weather is just perfect for HotPot. I've done a video previously on how to do HotPot at home. You can check it out right here, but for now, we're just setting everything up right now. All right, we're just done with prepping. I'm gonna make my sauce. So both my siblings, in terms of their sauces, they've added soy sauce, sesame oil, a raw egg, and satay sauce. I think I'm just gonna stick to a super unoriginal sauce mix, which is soy sauce and sesame oil. I don't really like too much satay sauce in mine. And I'm not gonna add a raw egg in there either. So usually you get 2 pairs of chopsticks. 1 pair is for your raw food, and then another pair is for your cooked food. Cheers! We got chrysanthemum tea drink because it kind of like, I think, cools things down a little bit. I reckon with HotPot, it's either something like this or sugarcane juice or beer. There is a perfect accompaniment with HotPot. We got these massive beef balls from the butcher place in Eastwood. It's actually pretty big for beef ball sizes, especially compared to the fish balls that we have. The beef balls are really good. They're really bouncy.
If not, I can
and they taste very beefy.
buy a box of meat.
而家去
It's like 8.
唔夠肉啊？
If I don't.
其實我諗夠嘅細佬，我仲有一盒喺度啊。
We're all actually deep down worried that there's not enough.
There is enough.
That's why we keep reassuring ourselves that there's enough.
I already straight up said I don't think it's enough because I'm for told that.
I think there's enough. Like I'm already.
Yeah, we got rice and we got noodles and we got
Yeah, I'm
chai.
starting to become.
In terms of carbs, we have udon and we also have rice, which I always eat when I have HotPot. Yep, that's enough for me. Thank you. that is it for this week's video. I don't know if you can tell, but we are now in a completely different location. You'll find out exactly where we're at in next week's vlog, so make sure you're subscribed, turn on the notification bell, and yeah, thank you so much for watching till the end. I post new videos every week. Check them out if you have time. I'm so excited for this new series of vlogs that are coming. We're gonna go on so many little adventures. So yeah, I'll see you in my next video next week. Bye. Okay, I didn't expect to finish all of that in one sitting. I was gonna finish it throughout the day, but I just smashed the entire thing of smashed cucumbers. And that was delicious. It was spicy, but super appetizing. Give it a go and let me know what you think.